question says a cell of internal resistance 2 ohms supplies current to a 6 ohm resistor. The efficiency of the cell is. So before I can answer this question, let us understand the concept of efficiency. What does efficiency actually mean? Now, consider a glass of beer. Consider a glass of beer now. Now, if you pour beer inside it now, there will be liquid form, then the foam parts will now come up. The foamy part will come up. Now, you'll understand that when you consume this beer now, you're going to only consume this liquid function. Now, because this is a liquid function that will go inside your body and nourish your body. Now, what's the concept of efficiency now? Efficiency is simply the amount of useful work done by a machine or an object now. Now, the efficiency here now depends on this liquid portion of this beer. So the efficiency is simply what? Useful work done all over total input work times 100. So that's what the efficiency is. Now looking at this beer now, the useful work done now will be this liquid portion, while the total input work is both this liquid portion and the foamy part. So if I'm doing this efficiency now, first of all, it now becomes the liquid over liquid plus foam. You get the idea, because the liquid is the useful work done, and the total input work is the liquid plus what? Foam. So I'm going to multiply by what? 100. So that's the concept of efficiency. So now let's go back to the question now. So let's try and draw a cell now. So if we draw a cell like this, if you draw a circuit, sorry, not a cell, and this circuit has cell now. Now this cell has an internal resistance of 2 ohms. So let's say this is 2 ohms resistance. Now it's connected to a resistor of 6 ohms. So let's say this is a 6 ohm resistor. So the same way now, the one that is doing work for us in this circuit is this 6 ohm. But still there's a 2 ohm here, which is part of the useful total input work. So the same way with that Beer ideology, let's get this efficiency now. So it becomes you use these 2 first, because you use this 6 first, because this 6 is the one doing the work. So it becomes what? 6 over. Now the total work put in is both this 6 and this 2. So you now have 2 plus 6. So everything now times what? 100 over 1. Because this 6 is the useful work done, and this 6 plus 2 is the total work put in. So look at it. 6 is the useful work done. 2 plus 6 is the total work put in. So we can now get our efficiency now. So the efficiency will now be equal to 6 over 8 times 100 over 1. So simplifying now, you have that 2 here is what? 3. 2 here is what? 4. Yes, 2 extra 2 here is 4. 4 here is what? 1. And 4 here is 25. So if you now multiply now, we know that the efficiency is what? 75%. Thank you.